Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Black Diamond Momentum climbing shoes. So these climbing shoes have one particular person, should we say, in mind, and that is people that are new to climbing. So if you're fed up with renting out boots or shoes, should I say in this case, and you just want a nice pair of climbing shoes that will be comfortable but will offer you all the support that you need, these are definitely something to consider. Anyway, let's talk about the key features. So first off, I'm happy to announce, should I say, that these are vegan friendly. So no animal has been harmed in the process of making these shoes, which is fantastic. They also feature Black Diamond's knit technology, which means they're super comfortable, but they're also super hard wearing. And to coincide with that, they have a micro liner. So no matter what sort of stress or strain you're going to be putting on these boots, they will stay solid, but also as well, thanks to the liner and the knit technology, they're going to be super comfortable. It's no surprise that these boots will give you, shoes will give you comfort all day, every day, which is really, really good. So the boot, I keep saying boot, the shoe themselves are neutral as well, so they've got a flat bed to them, basically meaning they're ideal for, bouldering and vertical walls, which is fantastic. But again, working with the knit technology and obviously the micro liner, again, the overall neutral design works well at all day, everyday use. So if you're doing several sessions throughout the day, you can keep these on and they'll be nice and comfortable and still offer you the support that you need. Anyway, let's take a closer look at the shoe itself. So like you see, it's a very traditional standard climbing shoe. They look like a nice climbing shoe. Velcro systems on the front there. Again, they coincide with the side systems on there, enabling a nice closer, more snug fit. But the Velcro, really easy to use, really easy to open. You've got a tab system to pull on there. So again, really easy to get on and to get off. The front of the shoe itself also has a split section there as well, basically meaning getting them on, again, taking them off, it's going to be nice and comfortable, and it's going to be super easy, and that works really, really well with the standard Velcro system. So let's just do that up. You've got two hoops on the back there, again, just to help you get the boots on and off, and they're nice and wide. I mean, I'm a large to extra large when it comes to hands. I've got quite chunky fingers, so the fact that I can get my fingers through there nice and comfortably means that you'll be able to too as well, which is really, really cool. Like I said, they're a really standard design, so you've got support on the side there around the ankles, and more importantly, you've got a really nice solid toe box as well. And again, pretty much links from there goes all the way around back into there, so that whole front portion of your foot is protected, which is obviously what you need when it comes to a climbing shoe. And like I said, so they're neutral, so they've got a nice flat bed to them. There is a slight curve in the arch there, so they're not 100% flat, I'd say 95% flat, but again, you need that as well. But just to help with your foot positioning. But again, they're absolutely solid, so when you're pushing force downwards, you've got the grip that you need, but you also have a nice flex, obviously going up there as well. And again, they're solid, basically they're exactly what you need when it comes to a climbing shoe. So who are these for? Like I said in the intro, these have been designed, these have been developed for new climbers. So if you're new to the scene, like I said earlier, you're getting sick of wearing rentals, but you want your own kit, but you're still not too sure, you're still not 100% of what you need, or if you're one dedicated, but you still want your own kit, the Momentum is going to offer you all the comfort that you need and all the support that you need as well. So that, again, there's something to consider. Anyway, if you want to find out more information about the Momentum climbing shoes, just click on the link that's pinned in the comments below, and that will take you to our website, webtogs.com. And also, while you're over on our website, what you'll notice as well, we're doing a really cool initiative at the moment, which is place an order, plant a tree. So with every order that is purchased or put through our website, webtogs.com, we will plant a tree, which is a fantastic initiative. But also, we have one of the most eco-friendly warehouses in the UK, maybe even in Europe, maybe even in the world. Our carbon emissions we've reduced down to 93.5% as of recording, which within itself is fantastic. But if you coincide that with the place an order, plant a tree initiative, they do something rather special. So that one order that you've, or the order that you've placed through webtogs.com, we plant that one tree. So that one tree will actually offset the carbon emission of 3 other Webtog orders. So not only, you know, as I said, the two things separately are a fantastic initiative. Having a super eco-friendly warehouse is a massive plus, but also as well, planting a tree with every order is a massive plus. But bringing the two together does something really special. Like I said, that one tree that we plant will offset the carbon emission of 3 other Webtog orders, which is fantastic. Anyway, if you want more information about the Place an Order Plant a Tree initiative that we've got going, again, the link to that is in the comments below. I'll stop waffling on now. Thanks for watching and happy trails.